Hi Parker and welcome to AFS News. Today we have news on the downfall of the lion population, but first we should learn more about the lion's biome, the African savanna. The savanna biome is found in the southern hemisphere. It can be located in Central Africa, Northern Australia, East India, and Northern South America. It has two seasons, the wet season and the dry season. The wet season, which is summer, gets around 15 to 25 inches of rain per month, while in the dry season it only gets around 4 inches of rain throughout the entire season. The temperature stays about the same. In the wet season it's about 76 to 86 degrees, while in the dry season it's about 68 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the weather. In Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, located in the African savanna climate, on Monday, September 15th, Monday, it should be 72 degrees with a 90% chance of rain and 4 miles per hour winds. On September 16th, Tuesday, it's going to be 72 degrees also with an 80% chance of rain and 7 miles per hour wind. On Wednesday, September 17th, it's going to be 70 degrees with an 80% chance of rain and 7 miles per hour wind. And on Thursday, September 18th, it's going to be 70 degrees also with an 80% chance of rain and 5 miles per hour wind. Now to Callie with news on the lion population.
Thank you, Riley. Now on breaking news with the lion population. The lion population in the savanna they live in are decreasing significantly. 75% of the savanna and 2/3 of the lion population have decreased over the past 50 years. Scientists predict that within the next 10 years, the lion population will go extinct. Some of the reasons why they are decreasing are because of habitat destruction, trade in lion parts, trophy hunting, diseases from livestock, retaliatory killings from humans. Tourists pay upwards of $22,000 to kill a male lion. Next, with your zebra population. Since the lion population is decreasing, the zebra population is increasing significantly. This is because the lion is one of the main predators of the zebra. This could be negative because the zebra population may become overpopulated in the next few years. Zebras becoming more populated will cause many of the grasses, like Bermuda grass, common finger grass, and red grass, to become scarce. This is because all those grasses are a main food source of the zebras. Once all the grass is gone, the zebras will begin eating the bark off of acacia trees. This could be bad too because then that would cause one of the main trees to go extinct in the African savanna. Next up is to Catherine with human influences.
Thanks, Callie. As stated, I'm going to be telling you about human environmental interactions in the African savanna. The funding from tourism discourages hunting as it provides proof that the animals are beneficial to tourism profits. Although it discourages hunting, it doesn't completely eliminate it. There have been many cases where species go endangered or even extinct. Another negative environmental interaction is how human activities generate air pollution, releasing carbon dioxide into the air, which makes it hard for animals to breathe. Also, humans have transformed this natural landscape into an agricultural one by mining salt, coal, and oil wells from the savanna. Last but not least, humans have been planting one certain crop over and over, which completely depletes the soil. And now to Chi-Chi with elephant poaching and unique plants to the African savanna.
Thank you, Catherine. According to National Geographic, there have been 100,000 poachings of African elephants in the last 3 years. Poaching has caused the elephant population to decrease by 64% in the last decade. New studies show that 40,000 elephants were killed in 2011 due to poaching. Because elephants are a keystone species, they are very important to the African savanna. Elephants open up a forest land to create fire breaks and grasslands. They create water access for other animals, and they leave nutrients in their wake. Elephants are also essential to dispersal of trees that help maintain tree diversity. Because of the decrease in the elephant population, trees like the baobab tree have now become endangered species. Stay tuned as we talk about African savanna's unique plants. And we're back to you with the unique plants of the African savanna. The plants I will be telling you about are the baobab tree, ebony tree, and the river bush willow. The baobab tree's scientific name is Adansonia digitata. It has a thick trunk that can store up to 120,000 liters of water. Its thick bark helps protect it from fires and helps the tree to retain more of its moisture. The baobab tree does have fruits, and bark and foliage are used for medical purposes. Because of overuse, drought, and lack of seed dispersal, this tree is endangered. Large animals such as elephants would eat its fruit and disperse its seeds, but as the animal populations decrease, so does the baobab tree. Another unique plant is the ebony tree or the mpingo tree. Its scientific name is Dalbergia melanoxylon. Its hard, dense wood is valued by indigenous people in international trade. The black wood of the ebony tree is also used for instruments such as clarinets and bagpipes. Sadly, like the baobab tree, most species of the ebony tree are endangered. Our last plant is the river bush willow. Its scientific name is Combreton erythropium. This plant needs plenty of water to grow, so it has a hydrophilic root system. This is where the plant extracts water from deep in the ground. Its thick bark can help it resist fire. The river bush willow drops its leaves during dry periods so it can conserve water and energy. One should always be careful with the plant's fruits. The fruit is poisonous and can cause severe hiccups. That's our story on African savanna at News AFS.